So how to switch front and back camera on your iPhone 16 or 16 series or any mobile as well. If you go to your video option, if you press on, then no switch option available. To that go to your app store and simply download an apps called Snapchat. It's a most popular apps, so I think your phone also available it. If you don't have, just download, and if you already have, just open your Snapchat tools. Then you can see this kind of interface. Now go to your videos, then top right corner flip camera, press on flip camera, then you see it's flipping. Now let's try with record, press on record. Now it's recording. At the same time you can flip your camera as well. So once video done, simply press on stop. Now press on preview to watch your video, and to save it to your gallery, press on this save, press and hold. Then you can see memory and camera roll, press on memory and camera roll. Got it. Now go back to my iPhone image gallery photos, and you can see this video is available here. So this is how you can easily record your front and back camera at a time while you record video. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.